Ellarukum vanakkam. First of all, I was not at all expecting myself to be here on stage. I mean, I'm very, very overwhelmed right now. I don't know what to say. My heart is like thak, 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 thak. So, thanks to everyone. Thank you, Kirti sir, for choosing me as a Sam. Like, when I came on first day, my throat was not in my control. Like, it's like some other voice. But he was like, is this your voice? Is this? No. I speak something. I am some other person. But he saw his Sam in me. That is like the most amazing thing happened in my life. I mean, in 2025. So thank you so much for believing in me. And Pradeep sir, what should I tell about you? Like, I just watched Love Today, and who's the director? Pradeep sir. Who is the writer? Pradeep sir. Who is the actor? Pradeep? Oh my god. Then I was like, okay. And I am also very much interested in writing and directing. When I saw you, I was like, I'm gonna make it like him. So you are my inspiration. So thank you so much. It was wonderful to work with you. And Mamita, I just love you as an actor, as and person. You are the sweetest person I have ever met, I think, so far. When I saw you in Premalu last year, I was like, I wish I could work with her in some film. And this year, like, it happened. It's like not ordinary thing. It's a miracle in my life. So it was wonderful to work with you as well. Love you. Thank you. Sharad sir, from childhood, we are watching you. Me and my entire family are like, my father told me to tell you, he's a huge fan of yours. So we all love you, and I'm so blessed to work with you. It's like was my father's dream. I'm doing it. So love you, sir. Rohini ma'am, obviously we all know you and I adore you so much. You are the kindest person on set, and as person you are the greatest human I have ever met. Love you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ritu, you are my buddy. Wherever I see you, I must feel like meeting you. I don't know why. But it was wonderful to work with you. Actually, I was writing a script, a story, I think 1.5 years back. So, while writing, one trailer came on my feed. That was of Ritu. So, this guy's face like was in my mind while I'm writing. Then I came on set. I didn't know Hero was about to be there, okay? I just came and I saw him and I took a pause. Is this that guy I was writing from 1 year? So I went and asked him, is this Ritu? Because he just passed like that. And then I thought, okay, wait. Whatever I have, manifest last year, it is happening today. So, guys, please manifest. It's like real for real. So, it was wonderful to work with you, my friend. And Nikit sir, what should I tell about you? The sweetest, kindest person. You are like, to every person you talk with so much respect. I really adore your nature. It was wonderful to work with you. And to our producers and editors and every cast and crew, everybody, sitting over there, Asta and everybody, Sophie. Love you and thank you so much for giving me so much love, and thanks to the audience who are giving so much love to me. I was not at all, actually little bit I was expecting, but not this much. So I am feeling very, very overwhelmed, and I don't know what to say more. I thought I'm gonna go on stage and I'm gonna be silent, but I'm speaking so much because maybe I got the chance to speak my heart out, so that's why. And also Sai Abhyankar, Kirti sir know that I'm a huge fan. When I got to know, I was like, oh my god, like everything is happening what I thought last year. So thank you so much everyone. I'm feeling very, very happy with your response. And Dude set was not just a set, it was literally like a family, like a free space, very positive vibe. And I'm like the luckiest to get this role. And one more thing I want to tell to every other friend of mine who is sitting right there, like how we all started. I know I just came from Jammu to Bombay 5 years ago. and I have given, I think, thousands of auditions. After that, I really got the greatest chance here. So I'm very overwhelmed, and I just want to tell each and every of you, never give up. Even it will take you 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5, 10 years. Don't give up on your passion, because this is the only thing you are living for. Later you're not gonna regret in your life, I didn't did what I love. So please make it. Yeah, I just want to say that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank my audience much, because the love they have shown me is so overwhelmed. So actually, I want to speak something in Tamil, but I don't know much Tamil. So I'll go with the safer side. I can sing one Tamil song for all of you, which is my favorite. I'm not a great singer, so please pardon me, but I really love you guys. கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுது கடிதமே, பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டு சௌக்கியமா நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே, உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் கவிதை விட்டது, அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் பார்த்து முட்டது. My voice is gone. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you so much.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. We love you too. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா பாத்தீங்க. Thank you very much, Aishwarya, and we love you as